This is a beautiful bathtub. I forgot the name of it because I run across so many things that are new. All I'm gonna call it is a bathtub right now, but let me go ahead and turn it off. Turn that one off. Turn off that one off. But what I like to do is, oh God dog, this thing needs to be tight. I guess I'm gonna put in a report because I don't want an oversized person, or even a small person, to try to get out of this tub and they grab that faucet handle. Next thing you know, they done broke it. God damn.